Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a specific but essential component for many Fender amplifier owners. The genuine Fender replacement 1/4-inch internal speaker cable, part number 003-8566-049. This isn't just any cable. It's the factory-correct replacement designed to connect the internal speaker within certain Fender amp cabinets to the amplifier chassis itself. Let's break down what this cable offers. It features a right-angle 1/4-inch TS plug on one end. This plug is specifically designed to connect to the speaker output jack located inside the amplifier head or chassis. The right-angle orientation is often critical for proper fitment and routing within the confined space of an amp cabinet, preventing strain on the connection. On the other end, the cable is equipped with two standard snap-on connectors. These are the terminals that attach directly to the positive and negative terminals on the speaker cone itself, establishing the electrical path for the audio signal. The length of this particular cable is 13.5 inches. This specific measurement is engineered by Fender to provide the correct amount of slack needed for installation in the compatible amplifier models without having excessive cable length that could cause clutter or potential interference inside the cabinet. As a genuine Fender part, this cable is manufactured to the brand specifications, ensuring it meets their standards for durability and performance. Using authentic replacement parts like this cable is crucial for maintaining the original sound quality and reliability of your Fender amplifier. It guarantees a proper, secure connection and the correct signal transfer from the amp's output stage to the speaker. This 003-8566-049 cable is used in a wide variety of popular Fender amplifiers. The list of compatible models is quite extensive and includes amps like the Prosonic, Decotone, Blue Deluxe, DeVille, Pro Junior, Blue Junior, Hot Rod Deluxe, the classic 63 Vibro Verb and 65 Twin Reverb, Vibro King, Dual Professional, 65 Twin Custom, 57 Twin, 57 Deluxe, Deluxe VAM, Super Champ X2, Stage 1000, Cyber Twin, 65 Princeton Custom, Vibrolix, EC Termalix, and the 57 Champ. If you own one of these specific models and find yourself needing to replace the internal speaker cable due to damage, loss, or wear, this is the exact part you'll need to ensure a perfect fit and proper function. It's a small component, but vital for getting sound out of your amp.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.